My mate will look. My mate keeps bees in Nottingham, and he says here, and he sent me this chap's number, and he was just coming up Blackwell Hill. Look at that, eh?
Look at that.
Are they going in?
Yeah. She's in there, she is 100%, so.
Isn't nature brilliant, eh?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It was a bit scary when they were all up at road light, but you know.
It can be daunting, yeah. Sure, yeah. But they're harmless, look. They're not bothered hurting you. They're not bothered in stinging you. They just want to. They will sting you.
She's in there now because they're all going. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
Yeah. So how many do you reckon's in here, roughly, bees?
Probably 7,000-8,000.
Really?
And he says this next month she'll lay 1,000 a day, 1,000 eggs a day.
No, now she's late. Well, this queen won't,
Yeah.
but my queen's at home. Oh.
Yeah, but you might not see this ever again, yeah. Phil's interested now, look. Never bother me again, will bees?
No, no, as long as you leave them alone, they'll leave you alone.
Yeah. Yeah?
Now, if I squash that one,
It not hurt me.
you know, if I squash that one, if they emit a pheromone and they're going to attack me.
Yeah, because like there's one on your forehead now and it's not bothering you.
Yeah,
Poppy over there.
He just took first branch off and just checked it in there with the scissors of road whites. Obviously, it's fat queen and look at them, they're just bombing in now.
Yeah, well that's what I said, you could put it in a bucket.
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm watching Joe down there.